What's the biggest hurdle holding you back from creating video content? Is it the fear of being on camera? Imagine creating impactful video content that truly connects and resonates with your audience. Hi, I'm Malay and I'm from Caliac Studios, and I'm here to tell you how you can make this happen. Number one, small wins. Don't jump into full-blown productions. Start with short, casual videos for social media stories or practice talking on camera to yourself. Number two, focus on your message. Shift your focus from self-perception to the value you are providing. Who are you helping and what impact do you want to make? Reframe your thoughts. Challenge negative self-talk instead of I am not good enough, try this. This is a learning experience, or I am at least going to influence or provide value to one person through this video. Next, practice makes progress. The more comfortable you get on camera, the less scary it becomes. Trust me. Record practice videos, watch them back, and identify areas which need improvement. Next, focus on your audience and not yourself. Remember, viewers are more interested in your message than judging your every single move. Next, celebrate milestones. Acknowledge your progress. Every video you create is a step forward. Yeah? So don't sit back, don't let anything hold you back, and make video. Go out there and take your first step. Here's another bonus tip. There are tons of resources available online to help you with camera presence, editing, and overcoming camera shyness. Remember, everyone feels nervous when it's their first time. Take it one step at a time, celebrate your progress, and before you know it, you'll be able to create impactful videos with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.